Hello, in front of me I have PolarVantageV, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the PolarFlow application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the PolarFlow application to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's scroll down. At the bottom, you should see the list of applications installed on your iPhone. On this list, find the PolarFlow application and tap on it. Here, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. As you can see, it is on mine. Then tap on notifications and make sure that the allow notifications is also enabled. Now we can go back to settings, scroll all the way up, find the Bluetooth, tap on it, find the PolarVantageV on the list of my devices, and here tap on the info icon next to it and check if you have the option right here. It's called, I believe, allow sharing something. If it's not, you can close the settings for now, open the PolarFlow application, tap on, once you open the application, you can tap on more icon, tap on devices, and here you should see the device page for your PolarVantageV. Now, we can press and hold the back button to sync the watch with the phone. So let's sync them together. Okay, as you can see, it's syncing, so let's wait until it's done. Okay, it's done. So now we can scroll down through this page, find the phone notifications option. We can enable it by tapping on the switch. And now we need to sync our watch with our phone again. So let's sync them together by pressing and holding the back button again. Okay, and once you sync the watch, you should see this pop-up. If you didn't have the option, like when I said that we went to check the Bluetooth settings and we tapped on the info icon next to the device, we didn't have any option besides forget device. So you should get this pop-up to allow the iPhone, or rather the watch, receive the notifications from iPhone. So we need to allow it. So now when we go to the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone, open the Bluetooth settings, find the PolarVantageV, tap on info, you will have this option. So you need to make sure that this option is here and it's enabled to receive the notifications on the watch. So if you don't have it right here, if you're checking, you need to go to the PolarFlow application, turn on the phone notifications, sync the devices. You should get the pop-up, tap on allow, and then you should have the option there. Okay, so once the permissions are enabled and also the notifications are enabled right here, we can close the app, and now we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Like this. And we got the notification on our phone, but we did not. Oh, we also got it on our watch. We have this dot right here. We can open the notification menu by swiping upwards from the bottom of the screen. Come on, open. Oh, like this. And here we have our notification. So it's working, as you can see. And we can scroll up and down. If you scroll down, you can tap on clear all. You can tap on notification too, I believe. Oh, no, you can't. So you can scroll down and tap on clear all. Okay, that's about it. And as you can see, it's working. So that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.